I ordered a book and it should get here today. Every time I see a video on TikTok about it, they're literally sobbing. That is so embarrassing. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Hi! Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy that you're here. Today's video is a vlog. Just a vlog of a few days of my life here at home, trying to be productive, trying to get motivated, even though I'm not motivated and I just want to scroll on TikTok before it gets banned. So yeah, come with me as I start the new year and try and follow through on my New Year's resolutions instead of being lazy and unproductive. So last night I made, for the first time, chia seed pudding. I'm going to cut up some fruits and add in some granola and see if it's any good. Is our cutting board like ugly because of all the lines?
I mean, it's a cutting board.
It's clean, guys. Don't worry, it's clean. I love blueberries. And they were buy one get one free on Publix, so definitely had to get those. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. I don't know if that's too much. Alright, now we're gonna add some granola. This one already has some brown sugar and vanilla flavor in it, so I don't know if I'll have to add like honey to sweeten it up or if this will be enough. This is my first time trying this specific granola. I got it because it was buy one get one free. So, okay. I don't know how much to put. If you're wondering how I made this, it was just 3 tablespoons of chia seeds and half a cup of milk. Mix it together and let it sit overnight. Really?
It's a different thing. Yeah.
Alrighty guys, I'm gonna give you a little rundown on what's gonna happen today so you know what to expect. I don't know if you really care, but anyways, my boyfriend's at the gym right now. No, I didn't go with him. In a little bit, we're gonna do laundry. We have this problem. We wait until the last possible second to do laundry. We wait until we have no more underwear, no more clothes. The outfits that I've been wearing lately have been a little ridiculous because I have nothing to wear. I'm like mixed matching pajamas at this point. I don't know what time we're gonna end up getting home, but then I'll cook dinner and then see what else. I don't know. It's really late, but my boyfriend's Christmas gift is finally getting here today. I got him Birkenstocks. This is his first pair of that. I don't even own any. So I'm pretty excited to see how they look in person. I'll be unboxing that on the camera for you, don't worry. Also, I ordered a book and it should get here today. It's Before the Coffee Gets Cold. I don't remember the name of the author. Every time I see a video on TikTok about it, they're literally sobbing. But I'm kind of excited about that. I don't know. I like crying.
For you to understand the next clip, I must first tell you that she ordered a new phone and has been waiting patiently for its delivery.
Guys, I heard a knock on the door and then I saw packages and I got excited thinking it was my phone because one of the packages, I read the first 3 letters, AT&T. Oh my god. Wait a minute. I am actually so dumb. No, because why did I see AT&T and I'm like, that's my phone? Which, first of all, it's ATTN that it says on the label. Second of all, I have T-Mobile. I literally have T-Mobile. Why? That is so embarrassing. That is so embarrassing, actually. Wow. Wow. And the delivery, there was no signature required, which I know there's gonna be signature required because that's what they told me. So that should have already like gave me a little hint, like that's not your phone, girl. Like, you know. And I don't even have AT&T, so why was I checked the tracking for the 10th time today, and now it says that it's gonna get here tomorrow by 9 p.m. So hopefully it does. That's crazy. Wow. I was like, oh, it says AT&T, that's my phone. And then I'm like, no, it says ATTN. This is something else. Like, I just realized, no, you should have realized you don't have AT&T. You have T-Mobile. And then the phone case also got here for whenever I get my new phone. I just got like a basic baby pink one. I'll probably end up making myself one as well. If you don't know, I make phone cases. They're pretty cute. You can order them through my Instagram. I'll put all the information right here. But yeah, I just got this one. Baby pink, normal, whatever. It was like $10. And I didn't get a screen protector because... So yeah, we're gonna have to wait till tomorrow for the phone. And I'm still embarrassed that I forgot that I have T-Mobile. But anyways, yeah.
No way. Holy shit.
You like it? Merry Chrysler.
Merry Christmas.
We're on our way to the laundromat. This is all of our laundry. It's a lot. That is full, and that is full, and that is full. I'm back home and I'm putting away the laundry. I'm almost done. I have this left and that over there. Yeah, I started putting it away as soon as we got home. I'm trying to do things right away when they need to get done instead of like procrastinating and letting it just sit there like laundry or dishes. I'm trying to get that habit set because, you know, good, I guess. And then after, I have to cook. It's an easy dish to make, but I kind of want Taco Bell. I said I wasn't gonna cook, so, you know, it's fine. I'll make pasta and ignore my Taco Bell craving. And I checked the tracking once again for the phone, and now it says that it doesn't know when it's going to get here. It said that this morning, and then it was like, wait, no, never mind, it's going to come tomorrow. But then the last time I checked, it said, like, that went away, and then it's like, wait, actually, we don't know when you're going to get it because there's, like, weather problems. So, okay. Let's put away the laundry. I finished cleaning and then I got tired and then I laid down in bed for like 2 hours and then I got hungry, so I got up and I made 4 scrambled eggs and a coffee. I don't think I would have gotten up out of bed anytime soon if I was not hungry, but all that matters is that I got out of bed. Also, why is it that I tried to wear a cute outfit and ended up in a sweater and sweats? At least I did some makeup, so at least I did that. I have some time before I have a client and I do have to make 2 phone cases, and I also wanted to edit and I also wanted to read, but I also don't want to do any of that right now. You know, when you feel the less motivated, when you're, wait, how do I say this? When you are the least motivated, does that make sense? When you are the least motivated, that's when you have to push yourself the most. Did I just do something there? I think I just did something there. When you're the least motivated, you have to push yourself the most, because if you don't, then you're just gonna get stuck, and you don't want that. Especially not for a new year, 2025. Like, we just started. We can't stop right now. You know, it's still January. We can't give up right now. Maybe in a few months. So let's do this. Okay, hello, welcome to my workspace. Today I'm gonna be making 2 phone cases. I don't know if I want to do this right now because this is like gonna be a 2-hour process and I'm kind of in the middle of my to-do list for the day. Oh my god, should I open it now or should I wait?
She opened it now.
I am very much gonna miss my pink phone, but it's pretty cool too, not gonna lie. It's pretty cool too. I'm gonna set this up and then I'll be back. Good morning. It's the next day. I got a little too excited yesterday with the phone and didn't record. I'm recording on the new phone actually. How do I look? I have a very exciting package to open, so I'm gonna do that now with you. I got 2 pieces of jewelry. I'm so excited. They look so beautiful on the website. Oh my god, they even give you a cute little bag. It comes with this as well, and a little pouch. This is the brand MSBlue. They are a jewelry company. They reached out to me and I'm so excited to be working with them. I really like this brand because they have beautiful things and they give back in so many ways. Oh. One of the first things I picked out was this necklace, mostly because I was able to customize it. So of course I put a letter R for my boyfriend. I am so in love with this. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I think this one's my favorite. This is so beautiful. And these match perfectly. This looks pretty much like a set because they have the same chain. So they go perfectly together. The pictures on the website don't even do it justice because this is so much prettier than I thought. If you're interested in the jewelry pieces that I got, I'll have the links of these specific ones in the description box, or you can just browse their website. I also have a discount code for you, of course. I will put that in the description box as well, or right here. So for the rest of the day, I really want to just read. I want to make my couch like super comfy and just read for hours. If you have any book recommendations, please let me know. I am open to kind of everything, but kind of not. But I want to try. So, yeah.
And then she read for hours and lived happily ever after.